What's up, adventurers? Today we're gonna check out the UNESCO World Heritage Site Trogir.
Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning back into the channel. Today we went on a quick day trip to the beautiful UNESCO World Heritage Site of Trogir. Trogir is a town on the central Adriatic coast of Croatia. It's a preserved old town, known for its mix of Renaissance and Romanesque buildings, lies on a small island connected to the mainland and the island of Chiovo by bridges. Due to its geographical position, Trogir has always been the perfect place for living. With its naturally protected port, many springs of drinking water, fertile soil in the hinterland, and stone from local quarries, Trogir has been inhabited now for more than 3,600 years. This inspiring Mediterranean city has attracted many great masters ever since the time of the ancient Greeks. These masters lived in Trogir and created some of their most famous masterpieces here. Various artists, writers, craftsmen and travellers found their inspiration from Trogir and have left behind numerous marks of their amazing work. The city of Trogir itself is a rather small place. It's 700 meters wide and only 400 meters long, containing around 3,000 people in its current living population. Here we have an incredible depiction of Kairos, who was the original symbol for the Olympic Games before the 5 rings that we currently see in modern day. Kairos is an ancient Greek word meaning the right, critical or opportune moment. Something that really stood out to myself and Naomi while we were walking around Trogir was just how beautiful it is to just take a leisurely stroll through the winding small streets and take in all of the amazing architecture. So I'm gonna just let you guys sit back and enjoy. Just something interesting here as well about this particular gate here into Trogir. When people were coming home from the long day at the market in Chiovo, for example, the gate would be closed after 8 o'clock. So if you arrived home late, you would be sleeping in the fish market situated beside the gate until the very next morning. Something interesting to note as well, just as you're walking along the main square here, you come across this amazing original Roman times table, and you might be wondering what it was used for. It was actually used for court proceedings back in Roman times here in the center of Trogir. If you got a black flag dropped down from the ceiling, it would mean you were guilty. If it was a white flag, you were innocent. Something very, very interesting to note, and it really shows how the history has stayed and maintained itself in Trogir. Alright guys, so that was the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Trogir. What a beautiful place, and we highly recommend you guys to come and check this place out if you do have the time when you're visiting Croatia, or maybe even plan ahead and book a night or two here in the center of Trogir. It's highly recommended from myself and Naomi. My name is Luke.
I'm Naomi. We're Nalu Adventures. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it really. Give the video a thumbs up.
Bye bye guys.
Bye.